President Rodrigo Duterte claims Ormoc City Mayor Richard Gomez would not accept anyone returning from elsewhere to enter the city.
I do not have any quarrel with Richard Gomez, as he was the one who said that he's not going to accept anybody from entering or for that matter leaving the place. Okay mo lang yan, it's part of maybe the vigilance that a person nurtures in his heart of how to do it. But you know, there are also constitutional issues that are involved, and those are sacred ones. And for those who are not really pronounced to be infected, positive, there's no reason why you should not accept them, especially those who are returning to their homes from doing a work abroad. Kawawa naman kasi.
But in a Facebook post, Gomez says, quote, "To be clear, returnees have a constitutional right to come home. But health protocols are in place because public health must be upheld and safeguarded even and especially as we do that." Duterte's claims are false. In an earlier Facebook post, Gomez only complained about the national government's lack of coordination with the local government and did not say he was going to refuse the returning residents. He also said the national government gave the LGU a belated heads-up only as the repatriates were arriving. None of the posts nor public statements made by Gomez said he would not accept the returning residents. On May 28, 2 returning residents who are part of the Balik Probinsya program tested positive in Baybay City and Tanawan, Leyte. These are also the first confirmed coronavirus cases in both towns.